guys, September 15, 2020. So I got a call from a lady in Fall River that her gas boiler is not running. So she says it's an old style boiler. And she wants to know if I go over there and fix it for her. So I'm on my way over there now. It takes me about 15 minutes to get there according to the GPS. It's not too far. Down the highway a little bit. So jump on the highway and head on out there, see if we can help this damsel in distress. Hey, Molly. Huh? Think we can help her? Think we can help her? Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah, we love helping damsels in distress. Yeah, we love helping damsels in distress. Yeah. Want to drive? You want to drive? You love driving. You love driving. You having a bad hair day, Molly? Anyway, it's a little nipply out there this morning, so I got the window closed for Molly here. It should warm up. Might be like 75 today. That'll be it. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Hopefully it's something simple. We'll figure it out.
My buddy that lived here before then, he was kind of a shithead.
Was he?
And I had a friend of mine look at this, and he said, he might have turned something off that he shouldn't have turned off just to piss you off.
Heating's sitting at 40, 46. That's way low. I mean, maybe he just had it so low. The heating setting was way down.
Well, it doesn't kick off on the radiators at all.
Well, let's set it at 72 and see what happens. It was really low here, the setting, right? It was at 45, so the heat would never come on. Let's see if that works. Okay. Why don't you let me in?
That thing's gonna get thrown. Oh God. Power.
This is on. It's a power vent that's not, power vent is not running. Power vent that should be running, right? Gas is off here. Power's off here. It's calling. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna have to light the pilot because the gas was off. You have gas in the house?
Yeah.
Seem to want a light. You got hot water?
Yeah.
You seem to want a light here for some reason.
Off for an old guy. A little pop-up.
that's been changed, but I don't know, for some reason it doesn't seem like it's getting any gas. Let's see if I can blow that hood out maybe. Sometimes it just gets all full of stuff, you know, and dirt and not easy. Oh, I need heat. I mean, can't be without heat, right? We'll fix it. Well, it's not, the pilot's not lighting. Something's going on. Did anybody take this thing apart?
What, the power valve?
No, the pilot assembly.
Yeah, there was one guy that I used to work with.
The pilot is on now. Let's see if it stays on.
And like I was saying, the old timer I was talking to that was in the Bible, he's like, oh, I don't really fart around with that anymore. He said if the guy that you had put the couple, the thermocouple in, he said that little copper wire to the right, he said if he doesn't have that, just...
No, the pilot is lit now, but it's barely staying on. Let's see if it stays on. Oh, the pilot keeps going out. Let me get my compressor and blow this out. It might be all full of sediment. That might be what our issue is. Yeah, because the pilot's very wimpy.
Yeah.
I might be able to hit that with my compressor and blow that out. Let me get my compressor and try that first. We got to get that pilot to stay on brighter, and then it'll heat the thermocouple on, and that should take care of it. Again. Oh yeah, a lot better. It's a lot better now. Where'd you go? Let's see, it's a lot better now. Yeah, the pilot's a lot better now. I don't know if you can see it burning in there now, the pilot. Before was probably all full of dirt, so I blew it out with this compressor. Sometimes it's in here, but I couldn't get it apart, so that should heat that thermocouple on and keep that unit. Let's see if it stays on. Nope. Did they replace that thermocouple?
Yeah. I kept the original one and I got another one on my house.
Yeah, well, let's see if it heats it up.
You'll be our savior if you get that going.
Yeah, I don't know. Let me see if I can hit the other side a little bit more. I don't think it's clean enough yet. Because if there's dirt or sediment in there, it's not going to heat up, right? See, yeah, that's a lot better now. It's hitting that thermocouple good. Well, it's, yeah, I did check it. It is tight. How this thing works is that pilot assembly has to heat up that thermocouple to be able to open the gas valve, right?
Right.
And if it's dirty and it's not getting,
now this unit right here. See this little thing?
Yeah.
He fought it around with this.
Yeah, let's leave that alone. See if we can get it to fire first. If we get it to fire, we get the pilot to stay on, then we'll move on to the next thing, you know? Let's see if the pilot stays on.
I don't want to think, my 87-year-old.
Alright, the pilot's staying on now. Yeah.
Bob got a couple of jobs over there. He said, tell him that if he seems like the nice guy, tell them that have them come by here sometime and check out the COVID sinks have to be fixed.
Let's see if we get this thing to fire now. We should be able to turn it to on and it should fire.
Yep, there it goes.
Now this right here, leave it alone because it's an old unit.
Right.
And it's on. Now if you get this thing to operate on and off,
right,
and it don't want to open, the thing's not going to fire. So seeing it's open, it's on bypass, leave it alone. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you got the power venter. So I'm surprised that this thing, they put this water heater in here, but the power venter wasn't running, but it doesn't have any rollout switches. Legally, that's not the way it's supposed to be.
Yeah, you know, the guy that put that in, he cut the, from the
There should be two boxes there that aren't in there legally, because what happens is if the power venter don't run,
that'll shut it off.
the rollout switches will heat up and shut it off as a safety, because that's your chimney. If that's not running, this thing's not going to vent, and then you get carbon monoxide issues. Does that make sense? All right, so she's running now. Yeah, you should keep that oiled.
Yeah.
Sound too bad. The power vent is still good, but I do recommend you oil it with that special oil.
Hey, I oil that thing every spring and every fall.
Okay, you're good then. Yeah.
An old timer told me that it'll last for a lot longer.
It will. Yeah, because it is a motor. The new ones, you can't even oil them. They have sealed units. All right, so you got heat. It'll take a little bit, but.
Yay! So how does that work? So you send us a check, you just pay
I'm gonna write out a slip, and whoever wants to pay me can pay me for it. Just a service call coming out here.
Yeah, I gotta get. I was gonna tell you, I got my question today. I got the check right here. I gotta put it in the deposit in my bank.
Right, so you'll just take it out of the rent.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't be without heat. So that wasn't so
I want
bad.
your card if you got it.
No, I'll give you a card. Yeah.
I definitely need you to come next door because my wife can't even wash the dishes. She has to carry a pail. Just do it.
Unbelievable.
You're
huh?
the man.
Yeah, I'm the man, all right.
You are. You know, ask her how many plumbers we try to get.
Really?
Yeah. Well, me. People.
I was like, you're the first one I called.
Hey, people that I personally know too.
They won't come by?
They just never. One guy called. He said, "Well, I'm doing an appointment."
No time. Maybe they're busy.
Yeah, well, the last one, he said, "Oh, I'll be honest with you, Mr. Dude." He said, I'm a little old now. I don't do jobs like that anymore. I do small jobs. I said, all right, at least you called me back.
So it's running. The power venter is running out there, right?
Want me to go up there?
Yeah, it sounds like it.
I thought I heard it.
Yeah, it sure sounds like it's running. There is roll-out switches on this beast, but flipping joke.